Figma now connects all your brands into one design system. Astra, Teams, Live, all sharing the same colors, components, and tokens. Change it once and it updates everywhere. One system for every brand. Components in Figma just got smarter. With one click, turn any area into a slot. Drop in images, charts, or buttons freely. Fully customizable, but still consistent. Design without limits. Figma now helps you keep designs clean and consistent. It detects typos, spacing issues, and variable mistakes in seconds. Update once, it syncs across the whole file. Design consistency? Done!